Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos. In this video, you will know how to begin to learn data structure and what are the best sources to learn fundamentals of data structure. Learning programming and data structure are just like learning new skills where you have to read, to practice, to do mistakes, and to gain experience. I personally don't recommend a single source of information as very one will explain the concept in totally different way. It will open your mind to so many questions and applications for that specific data structure you learn. Don't also mind learning data structure in multiple languages and multiple frameworks, since you are going to notice for example that the application of data structure in C are really different than those in Python, and the way you implement things there are not the same way you implement them here. So data structures and algorithms are basic building blocks of computer science graduate career. For beginners level, the data structure you should be well aware of: arrays, linked list, stack, queue, binary trees, heap, hash map. And coming to the sorting: bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort. Coming to the searching: linear search, binary search, interpolation search. Coming to the trees: spanning trees, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm, Bellman-Ford, Floyd-Warshall, traveling salesman problem, max flow min cut. Then the best way to practice is to write on a piece of paper with pen. Understand the logic first. Geeks for Geeks and Tutorial Points are very good website for both data structures and algorithms. You may also practice from India Bigs. You can find useful video lectures on YouTube as well. Learn the working mechanism. Try on pen and paper first, then type it on a computer. In this way, you will remember it better. To start with, I would recommend a tutorial point. This will cover your basic concepts on data structures and algorithms. Once you are done with tutorial point, go to an advanced level. Read Geeks for Geeks. So this is the one of the best website for advanced level uh, programmers to read data structures and algorithms. These two websites will help you get a very good understanding on the subject matter. You may also refer to the Coursera video lectures. So that's all about how to begin to learn data structures. If you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share to your friends. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.